Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to unsubscribe from Nextdoor. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you want to unsubscribe from Nextdoor, it depends whether you mean to stop emails or notifications or delete your account entirely. In order to stop email and push notifications, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Nextdoor application and be sure to be logged into your account. Then simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen, then tap on settings. Now inside settings, all you gotta do is select notifications, and once you're inside here, you can choose email and push and toggle off notifications you don't want by choosing the options from post, digest, my activity, and so on. Now all you gotta do is toggle the option for email and push off and do the same for others which you want. Now if you want to delete your account, simply head over back to your account settings menu, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is select your account settings, and then once it loads, scroll all the way down until you find your deactivate your account option. Then simply follow the on-screen prompts and deactivate your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.